I am starting with data type. Data type are used for converting one data type to another data type. Decimal represents numeric values with decimal precision, such as 12.34, minus 0.005, etc. It's commonly used for financial data, measurements, and other precise numeric values. Fixed decimal, similar to the decimal data type but with a fixed number of decimal places. For example, you might have a fixed decimal with 2 decimal places to represent currency values like $12.34. Whole number represents integers or whole numbers without decimal places. For example, 5, minus 10, 100, etc. It's used for counting quantities and other non-fractional numeric values. Percentage represents values as percentages, typically ranging from 0% to 100%. For example, 25%, 50%, 100%, etc. It's commonly used to express proportions or ratios. Date/time represents specific points in time, including both dates and times. For example, January 1st, 2022, 12 p.m. It's used for temporal analysis and visualization. Date represents calendar dates without specific time information. For example, January 1st, 2022. It's commonly used for date-based analysis and grouping. Time represents time of day without date information. For example, 12 p.m., 3:45 a.m. It's useful for analyzing time-based patterns or durations. Date/time/time zone represents date and time information with time zone awareness. This data type includes both the date, time, and time zone offset, allowing for accurate representation of time across different time zones. Duration represents a span of time, typically in hours, minutes, or seconds. For example, 2 hours, 30 minutes, 45 seconds. It's used for measuring time intervals or durations. True/false represents Boolean values, which are either true or false. It's commonly used for logical or binary data, such as yes/no, on/off, etc. Binary represents binary data, such as images, documents, or other non-textual data. It's used for storing and handling binary files or data blobs. Then next. Use first row as header is typically encountered when you're importing data into Power BI Desktop or after loadable data. Also we can set it. This option allows you to specify whether the first row of your data should be treated as column headers. Then next. The Replace Values feature allows you to find and replace specific values within a column or data set. This functionality is particularly useful for data cleaning and transformation tasks. For example, if you have a column containing Bream and Pike as name values, but you want to standardize it to B and P, you can use the Replace Values feature to replace Bream with B and Pike with P. Then next. AI insights are text analysis, vision, Azure machine learning. Text analysis. Power BI offers built-in text analytics capabilities through the text analytics and key phrases visuals. These visuals allow users to extract insights from unstructured text data, such as sentiment analysis, key phrase extraction, language detection, and more. Users can connect to text data sources, such as social media feeds, customer feedback, surveys, and support tickets, and utilize Power BI's text analysis features to derive actionable insights directly within their reports and dashboards. Vision. Power BI integrates with Azure Cognitive Services, including the Computer Vision API, to analyze images and extract valuable information. Users can utilize the image URL or image data types to display images in their reports and leverage AI capabilities to analyze visual content. With the help of custom visuals or custom AI models deployed to Azure, users can perform tasks like image recognition, object detection, optical character recognition, OCR, and more, enhancing their data analysis and storytelling capabilities. Azure Machine Learning. Power BI allows seamless integration with Azure Machine Learning, AML, services, enabling users to incorporate advanced machine learning models into their reports and dashboards. Users can deploy machine learning models to Azure Machine Learning Workspace and consume them directly within Power BI using the Azure Machine Learning Visual or custom visuals, enabling predictions, classifications, clustering, and other advanced analytics directly within their reports. This integration empowers users to leverage the power of Azure's scalable and flexible machine learning infrastructure to enhance data-driven decision-making and gain deeper insights from their data. Then next, this will have the append queries and merge queries. I will start with append queries. Append queries. The append queries feature allows you to combine rows from two or more tables or queries into a single table. It's useful when you have similar data structures and want to stack or append the rows from one table/query onto another. For example, if you have monthly sales data stored in separate tables, you can use append queries to combine them into a single table containing all the sales data for analysis. This operation adds rows to the bottom of the existing table, effectively expanding the dataset vertically. Merge queries. The merge queries feature allows you to combine data from multiple tables or queries based on matching values in specified columns. It's useful when you want to bring together related data from different tables into a single table based on common key columns. For example, if you have a customers table and an orders table, you can merge the two tables based on the common customer ID column to create a unified table that includes customer information alongside their orders. This operation combines columns from different tables into a single table, effectively expanding the dataset horizontally. Inner join. An inner join returns only the rows from both tables where there is a match based on the specified join condition. Rows from either table that don't have a match are excluded from the result. Left outer join. Also known as a left join, this type of join returns all rows from the left table and the matching rows from the right table. If there is no match, null values are included for the columns from the right table. Right outer join. Also known as a right join, this join returns all rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left table. If there is no match, null values are included for the columns from the left table. Full outer join. Also known as a full join, this join returns all rows from both tables and includes null values for columns where there is no match. Essentially, it combines the results of both left and right outer joins. Left anti-join. A left anti-join returns all rows from the left table where there is no match found in the right table. It excludes rows where a match is found. Right anti-join. A right anti-join returns all rows from the right table where there is no match found in the left table. It excludes rows where a match is found. Now observe how this are working and practice with sample data.